Hello guys, welcome to my channel Pywinauto Care. Today I have brought another session on desktop GUI automation using Pywinauto. So today I'm going to show you how to connect to a window having long window title, or the title consists of some integers or gaps or some characters in it. I have got similar requests from many users on connecting such kind of windows. So stay tuned guys, I will be showing you how to do this. First of all, guys, you need to install AutoIT Windows Info tool. Just go to this link, and paste it in the Windows browser and get the tool downloaded and install it. One install, you will have two versions, that is 64 and 32-bit. If you see here, I have two versions, that is 32 and 64-bit. So based on the application, you need to you need to execute this tool, and you need to find the controls of that automation window. So now I will be showing you how to do that. So for doing this, I will be importing a module, that is Pywinauto. Then time for creating some delay. Then as usual, from pywinauto.application we will be importing application. Then from pywinauto.keyboard import sign keys. And then this time we will not connect, since the window title is big, so we will not connect the application using the window title. Rather, we will be connecting the Windows application using the process ID, and the process ID is dynamic. So if you see here, this is the code actually where I am going to connect. Since the process ID is dynamic, because every time when you close the close the application, open the application, the process ID will be dynamic. I will be creating a script for collecting the dynamic process ID and to execute the program as such. So for this, what you need to do is, like, you need to import a model called psutil, and then I have written a function, that is def running process by process name. This is used for finding that running process in the taskbar. So all the taskbar, it will create the task, it will create the process. Then for process, in process util, the process, the iteration, all the process it will take, it will try to get the names. So I have given a try except statement so that it doesn't fail. And then next is, like, I need to get the process ID by name. So why? Because I will be searching that with name, like what is the running process. So based on the PID, so what PID I am looking for? I am looking for a PID, say for example in this case notepad. So for the notepad I am looking for PID. So what name I need to put is, like, I need to put notepad.exe. This will be static, this will never change. Every time if you restart the application also, this name will never change. The change will happen only in PID. So I am searching, so in short I am searching the PID with reference of the name. This is what I am doing here. PID by name, process name, then list of the process objects. Then if you see here, I need to fetch the process ID and the name. These are basic things, and then try except statements are there. Then here if I am doing is, like, if running process, that is what, notepad. Then list of process IDs, PID by name, notepad, and this, for this alone I want. So there will be like multiple process IDs, process names, but I need for this only. Then it's 0. Then for I in last process ID, I need to get the PID alone from that list, because this notepad will give me various information, say PID, status, username, CPU, and many other informations, but I need only the PID. So this is nothing but to print it. After that, what I'm going to do is, like, app is equal to application.connect, then process is equal to process PID. Then I will wait for 2 minutes. Then next is, like, what I'm going to do is, like, this is my AutoIT window, and this is my notepad. So if I click to find the class name, so here I am connecting the window with the process ID automation. Here I am connecting to the window using the process ID. After that, I need to execute. I need to find a short form of that. So that is window is equal to app.notepad. This notepad is nothing but the class name. So for every application, the class name will different. Just find a tool, click over here, and drag to the window title. If you see here, automation 123, enter title name, and the class name is notepad. So this notepad class name you need to put over here, so that now you can short it. Otherwise you need to run every time, you need to run the long form, say like app dot window title name dot something something something, and if you put this automation i3 app dot, then it will create a problem and this it will have a syntax error. So for this, it is a short form, windows will app dot notepad, that's a class name, then window dot set focus, because we need to always bring that window where we are going to automate to bring into focus. So if the window is hidden in the background, so it will make it to foreground, it will bring it to foreground, and then window dot maximize. So now for testing purpose, this is I kept it on minimize. Now next will be like it will be maximized, and then it will come for foreground, then it will maximize, then we'll be writing something over here, that's hello, then send case enter, then again we will be writing again we'll be typing some welcome to Python Educare. So let's see how it executes. So processor is 1460 and see. So that means the window is connected. This shows the window is connected and it got maximized and then it written. So this is how we can do it. Now I will show one more for an Excel item. I will close this. Now I will show a similar example for another tool, Excel item. Say so let it be also minimize, and now I need to get the class name for this, because process ID will be always dynamic. So how to get the class name? Bring it to the window title and you will go the class name, that is Excel main. So this is your class name, and don't conflict, this is your control names. So control class name is net UI HUWND, but you need to always go with the window title class name. So there are many features over here. You can always go to controls, visible. So but here we don't need all the information, so we need only this class name. So we'll just put this class name over here, spaces class name. We will not type this because we cannot type these things in Excel thing, so I will take it out. So this is just to show you that this is one way to connect to an application and to do automation. Okay, now if it's Excel would have come over here, so Excel is there, so it's 1556. So it's the name is excel.exe, so we'll keep only Excel exel. Similarly here exel. Let's run it. So 1556, and it got connected and got maximized. So this is how we can connect to a long window title name. So if you have any doubts regarding this, you can always reach out to me at my email ID, that is rafiqjawed2@gmail.com. Hope you have liked my video. If so, please press like button, and for more videos please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.